Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Jason Venom as one, kinda. It's like half and half face. It's going to be really cool. Stick around. It's going to be for beginners. So I'm going to walk you through it all the way through, okay? Step by step, all the way to the very end. Very short video as well. So let's hop in, okay? You can either watch or you can follow along with me. I'm going to go right here on this side for the Jason Voorhees side, and I'm going to draw a circle on this side for this eye. And I'm going to fill that in. You can do this in pencil, pen, doesn't matter. If you do in pencil, I guess you can use the side of your pencil to fill that shape in. And if you need to pause or anything like that, you can always do that as well. I'm going to go to the top over here, and I'm going to find the curved portion of the top of the head, of the mask at least, the Jason mask, and I'm going to pull a long line over here for this side. So I'm going to pull a long line over here, like so. And I put some of the dots, right, for the mask. There's 3 dots right there. There's a couple of dots on this side. 1, 2 right here. You can put a couple over here as well. So that's 3 on the kind of the temple area. And what's going to happen here is I want the Venom shape of the head to be close. I don't want it to be completely different, right? I want it to be just kind of like it's mostly visible as one shape. So on this side, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start maybe down more, and I'm going to go over here and draw this giant Venom eye. It's going to wiggle. Curve in. I'm going to go over here on this side and draw this portion of the smile. And there's going to be no tongue. It's just going to be teeth. A curve right there. We're just going to draw big teeth on this one. Maybe I'll do another version where he has his tongue sticking out. We're going to have his teeth kind of just these triangle shapes kind of interweaving between each other. Okay? And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make it look like it's spilling over there. So I'm going to give it that liquidy look here. I'm going to wiggle that line up. By the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you do like this kind of stuff. I'm going to put a lot of videos, especially coming up. Halloween's coming up. But I also, it's a year, I post stuff through the year, by the way. Forgive me for stumbling. But I'm going to be posting 3 videos a day when Halloween season comes around. So don't miss that. It's going to be all kinds of cool stuff coming up. So right now I'm drawing this, and it's kind of free-flowing. I'm drawing this liquidy shape. And I'm going to fill it in over here. I'm literally going to fill this whole part in over here. Because Venom is, dark shape. So I'm going to fill all that in. Kind of like the design of the symbiote taking over the Jason Voorhees part of the mask. Don't forget, by the way, like I said, say hi. Oh, hit that like, by the way, if you like the idea. Hitting like just kind of lets me know what to post more of. So absolutely hit that like button as well. It takes less than a second if you do it right now. And so now we're kind of to the portion where, like, okay, I guess we can adjust the kind of liquidy stuff. Think of, like, I don't know, orange juice spilling or something. I can kind of like make one longer, because sometimes this one right here is it's too much of the same length, and it looks too weird, too fixed. So you want to kind of vary up the spacing and stuff like that to make it look more natural. Then you can put one here around the corner here. I think it might use another dot over here. Something that's really going to make it stand out is something I'm going to do right now. I'm going to grab a red marker. You can do the same thing. You can do it in black as well, but I'm going to grab something red, and I'm going to go over here and draw in a triangle on Jason's forehead. That's really gonna sell it a lot more if I do that. Right here it's peeking out. And then over here, the one on the cheek as well. So you have the triangle here, and you have that other triangle over there. It's really gonna sell the impression that it's the Jason Voorhees mask that's actually getting covered up, you know, by Venom or something like that. Again, I can do a lot more of a monstrous one later if you want me to. Just let me know. Like this is more like you could literally wear a hockey mask like this probably, but you know, I don't have the tongue sticking out, anything sci-fi like that. The last thing I want to do is, well, I mean, you can also draw the latch right there on the right side of the head. Last thing I want to do here is I want to throw a thick line, kind of throw out all of it. I don't know if this Venom side really needs it. I'm going to throw a thick line to kind of contain it. Kind of contain it, right? So it'll look more like this closed-in sticker, and that's kind of what we're after ultimately. But there you go. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys watching. What I want you to do is I want you to share the video if you like the channel. If you want to help the channel out, support the channel by sharing the video. It does a lot more than you think. Otherwise, you can always donate. I'm gonna put the link somewhere. And that's it. If you want to follow me, you want to get in touch with me personally, you can do that on Instagram. Go to sketch_monster, the number 1 on Instagram, and I will be on there, okay? Sketch_monster and the number 1. You can see all the artwork that I do outside of this place. I do mostly the stuff outside of this place just for myself. It's all monster related kind of stuff as well. So go check out my IG, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll talk to you next time, and I'll see you soon. All right, guys? Stay positive, okay, artists? Later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons, and normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.